welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to show you guys the new starter kit from Somebymi, and if you guys are interested then just keep on watching. So another new product from Somebymi, and they sent this to me. This is their new Yuja Niacin 30 days brightening starter kit, and basically there's 4 products in here, and it is really a straightforward kit, and they have the step 1, step 2, step 3 and 4, and I'm going to start talking about one of each of them and what's the texture and what is it for and what's the benefits of using it. So let's go started. The box is really yellow and very spring to summer vibes, and they have all the benefits in here. They have the brightening, moisturizing, vitalizing and blemish care. So, and in the front you guys can see how it is and all the products how they looks like. And for here they have how many ml on here. For example, the Yuja Niacin toner, it does have 30 ml. The serum, it does have 10 ml, and the gel cream or the moisturizing cream, it does have 30 ml, and the last one, which is the sleeping mask, does have 20 grams in here. And for example, for the toner, it is for up dull skin tone, and for the serum, it does have lighten the dark spots for your skin, and the moisturizing cream or the gel cream, it does have cool calming whitening care. And lastly, the sleeping mask, it is for our all-night intensive brightening skincare. By the way, it does have all the ingredients on the back of it, and it does have a caution scene here on the side also, and their logo. It does look like this. Everything is all yellow, and this one is the gel cream, and the toner, the serum, and the sleeping mask. For all of these products, I can use for 30 days, so it is really convenient to buy it first before you buy the whole a full size of each of this. Yuja is like citrus fruit that tastes between lime, oranges, lemons and grapefruit, and they really smell so good. All of these 4 products have the same scent and consistency of it too. It's really refreshing and really like brighten up your day if you're going to use this once or before you go to bed. These products are artificial free, light and quick absorbing texture. They are sensitive skin friendly, and this one, the serum, it is can be used for all skin types. And let's go started with the toner. The toner, it is for brightening, and it does have Yuja 90% in here, and niacinamide does have 5%, and it is for blemish care, and it does lower your pH for your skin when you wash your face. And the next one we're going to use after the toner is the serum, which is it does have Yuja 82.3% in here, and it's the same thing. Niacinamide does have 5%. And the next one, which is the brightening moisture gel cream, it does have Yuja 90% in here, and niacinamide, it does have 5%. And lastly, this one you can only use for like before going to bed. It does have Yuja 705,000 ppm and niacinamide 5% in here. For the toner, it does have the very refreshing smell, and if you're going to put it in the back of your hand, it is really watery. It's not really a like kind of gel like some other toner does, and it is really smooth and not harsh on the skin. Next one is the serum. The serum, it does have the same consistency of like the toner, and I use 1 to 2 drops whenever I use this one, and you can use this every morning and night. And the third one, it is the Brightening Moisture Cream, the gel cream. It does have a gel, clear, transparent color, but if you apply it on the skin, it does absorb so fast. And lastly is the sleeping mask, which is the last one step for this kit, and it does have like kind of milky yellowish color, and like the gel cream, it does have like a gel like, and once you apply it on your skin, it will like watery, and it is a fast absorbent too. And this one is really intensive brightening care while you sleep, and it does have a skin revitalization and brightening 2-in-1 special. For those of you who don't know what is niacinamide, niacinamide, it is form of vitamin B3. It helps your skin retain water and moisture while protecting your precious skin barrier, and it does help you to brighten up your skin. It gives you it helps you to clear out your hyperpigmentation on the skin, and it is good for all skin types, for example for dry, sensitive, oily, normal, and oral or combination. My skin conditions or my skin concerns before using these products, I have a skin hyperpigmentation, and I have scarring from my acne because I am pregnant, and due to my pregnancy I have a difficult time to heal my acne scars. As you guys can see, I have some in here, and for some reason it is from my hormones, and plus the things that I eat often, that is, for example, cheese. I'm not supposed to eat cheese, but I still eat some. My first impressions on this product, they are they have the mild scent, and it does have a sticky texture because of the dew of the Yuja, which is a combination of lemon, lime, grapefruit, and oranges, which is like a really sweet combination, and it has a little bit of the kind of sticky texture, but it is a fast absorbent. All of them are fast absorbent. final review for these products. They are very affordable one for this starter kit, and you can use this for 30 days and you still have a small amount. It depends on how you use them or how much you use, but a small pea size can actually cover up all of your face. And the only thing that is maybe more to use intensive is the sleeping mask if you really wanted to brighten up your skin on the next day. And this one, it helps my skin brighten a little bit, and due to the bad scarring for my acne, because I have the cystic acne, which are they're very big, and when they get scarring, it is hard to heal due to the scarring. And for some reason, you that one condition, it takes time to brighten up those. But if you guys going to go back to my previous clips, you guys going to see that they are brightened up a little bit by little. So if you guys really wanted to use these ones, I'm going to really recommend this one. They're not too harsh on the skin, and I'm going to put everything down below if you guys are interested to try this one. And later on, if you wanted to buy the full size, you can. I'm going to link their website, and I'm going to link the yesstyle.com and thisstylekorean.com where you can find this too. I think this one is already available in the Style Korean and Yes Style. And that's it for this review for this starter kit. If you guys are interested to other Somebymi product reviews, I'm going to link them down below, and I'm going to put it on the eye in this side also. And that's it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you on my next video.